The major problem of post-harvest spoilage, especially with regard to green leafy vegetables, is addressed by our research. Due to inefficient storage, millions of tons of produce are lost annually. In order to overcome this, we have created a vacuum-powered smart storage system that is managed by an Arduino Uno microcontroller. By lowering the oxygen content of the surrounding air, this technology slows down the natural respiration rate of the produce and prevents the formation of harmful microbes. The combined result greatly increases the leafy greens shelf life.
The device uses sensor to continuously check the inside environment and maintain ideal condition for various green crops. Our goal is to determine the optimal vacuum pressure settings to maximize freshness through additional experimentation, offering a scalable and cost-effective solution. It can be adopted for both home and commercial use, leading to a more efficient and resilient food system.
Prolonging of green leaf vegetables by a vacuum container with monitoring system using Arduino Uno. Statement of the problem. This study aims to optimize the preservation of green leaf vegetables, addressing concerns related to increasing global food demands and the need to minimize food waste. Innovation in traditional packaging technologies has increased the shelf life, freshness, and food safety. Food packaging changed from being just a basic container to an active system as a result of the need to improve shelf life and improve the product quality. Respiration and microbial infection are important causes of post-harvest spoilage of green leaf vegetables. Appropriate choice of storage conditions optimal for each is essential since the physiological properties and sensory qualities are affected by them. The combination of atmosphere storage with these emerging technologies could contribute to significant reductions in food loss during storage. Increased respiration causes an overabundance of nutrients to be consumed, which shortens the shelf life of green leaf vegetables and accelerates aging. Control of the atmosphere during the storage can maintain the freshness and post-harvest and ensure a long shelf life without microbial pollution. Prolonging of green leaf vegetables by a vacuum container with monitoring system using Arduino Uno. Objectives of the study. This study aims to design, develop, and assemble a highly efficient smart storage system that leverages the capabilities of vacuum containers to create an oxygen-depleted environment, thereby preserving the freshness and extending the shelf life of green leaf vegetables. Post-harvest spoilage is a significant issue that leads to the loss of millions of tons of products annually, resulting in considerable economic losses and contributing to global food insecurity. To address this, our research focuses on developing an Arduino Uno-based system that monitors and controls storage conditions in real time, ensuring that the environment is tailored to the unique needs of different types of green leaf vegetables. The smart storage system will utilize a combination of sensors to continuously track key environmental parameters such as air and pressure within the storage containers. The primary goal is to investigate and identify the optimal storage conditions for various green leaf vegetables, with a particular focus on the synergistic effects of modified atmosphere, storage, and cutting-edge technologies to minimize food loss.
Our study demonstrates an innovative storage method to address food spoiling, a significant issue for economy, the environment, and society. We will look into the advantages the system can offer to different organizations. It could reduce monetary losses due to spoiling for businesses like market vendors and transport dealers. Customers might be able to obtain fresher produce for longer, which could enhance their nutritional intake and general health. Food waste reduction also results in decreased greenhouse gas emissions, which benefits the globe's health.
Hi, so for the data interpretation, we can see here a chart which consists 4 subject, color, texture, taste, and smell. So we can also see here 2 kind of bar, which is the green bar and the red bar. For the green bar, it represents actually the green leaf that is inside the vacuum container, and the red one is for the one that is outside of the container. So for this one, we can use it to differentiate. As you can see, the color of the green leaf vegetables that is inside, the inside of the containers is almost 100%, which represent or given thought that it is still almost the same as we freshly buy it. And for the red one, or the one that is outside, as we do experiment, as we can see on the image, the one that is outside is almost faded, or some have been darkened. And for the texture, almost actually the one that is inside the container is almost the same as we also bought it. However, for the one that is outside the container, we actually see it crumble or actually been dry than the usual texture of green leaf vegetable. And also for the taste, the one that is outside of the container is actually been dry, and for the smell of the one that is inside the container is still the same as we bought it. Still smell of a kind of watery odor. However, for the one that is outside, it is actually smell like a dry. And for this experiment, we conclude that also with the use of chart, that this green leaf vegetable that is outside of the vacuum container is almost to spoilage, that cannot be eaten or cannot be cooked. So that is the data interpretation for this research.
Good day. So we're going to proceed in the testing and data analysis of our project. So our project function is to control the air pressure inside the storage enclosure. So yung project na po tayo is yung pag-control ng hangin or air pressure dito sa loob ng storage box system para ma-prolong and ma-extend yung shelf life ng mga green leaf vegetable. So we proceed to testing. Once na nasaksak na sa outlet yung storage enclosure system natin, once na nakasarado yung enclosure, dito magsisimula mag-read yung pressure sensor and i-display ng LCD yung nababasa nitong pressure at nag-state ito na vacuum up since na walang pumapasok na hangin dito sa loob ng enclosure. So once na binuksan natin itong enclosure, i-declare naman ng system na storage is open, then makasisira yung pressure na nasa loob ng storage natin since na hindi na naipon yung air pressure sa loob. So once na tinakpan ulit natin ito, may 3 seconds na loading interval bago mag-generate yung vacuum. So dito sa vacuum generated na display, dyan nagsisimulang maglabas ng hangin yung storage enclosure natin para malabas yung mga pumasok na hangin dito sa loob ng enclosure, which is yun yung paraan para ma-prolong and ma-extend yung shelf life ng mga gold. So we'll wait for 30 seconds para mahigop yung hangin sa loob ng enclosure. Then once na naibalik na ulit yun, babasa ulit yung pressure sensor ng pressure na nakastate dun sa loob ng enclosure natin. And it is stated na vacuum mode ulit since na nakasarado na enclosure.
Hi, so for the recommendation of Group 10 to our project, incorporating advanced technologies into a smart storage system can significantly improve storage efficiency and longevity of the product. To enhance the system uh, to its finest, it is recommended to integrate air quality monitoring sensors or system for a clean environment. Precision temperature and humidity control mechanism is also recommended to protect the items on the climate change that could happen while it is on the logistics. And also the automated climate control systems for optimal condition. And also, of course, energy efficient features to minimize power consumption. These enhancements ensure a containment free environment, regulate internal climate, adjust settings based on condition, and optimize energy usage, respectively. By implementing this recommendation, the smart storage system with a vacuum container can provide a reliable and sustainable solution for various storage needs.